Annyeonghaseyo! Hello sa lahat ng K-pop fangirl dyan at sa mga hindi. Gusto ko lang i-share yung naging buhay ko simula na naging K-pop fangirl ako ng BTS. Okay? Rolling on the floor, pulling my own hair and biting my pillow because of overwhelming feels. Crying while watching them, downloading a bunch of photos, stalking them on social networking sites, and keeps on telling stories about them even if no one cares. That's how crazy fangirl's life is. Ang pagiging fangirl, yung bumubuo sa araw ko, naging daily routine ko na siya. I find happiness in doing such things as putting my idol's photo as phone wallpaper, watching their shows more than 10 times, collecting stuff related to my fandom, likes, posters, and shirts. Sharing stories about my fandom because of the overflowing feelings. Non-stop blogging, posting, liking, and sharing about my fandom. Tapos I always using caps locks when I'm typing because it's my only way to express my feelings, claiming that my fandom is the best. And lastly, trying to stop craziness and illusion, but hindi ko magawa kasi I attached to the person that I met in this fandom. Dahil sa kanila, natuto ako maging friendly. Magkaroon ako ng maraming kaibigan. Tapos, natuto rin akong irespeto yung ibang tao, kung ano yung gusto nila. Nagkaroon ako ng inspirasyon. Sila yung naging dahilan ko para maabot ko yung goal ko sa buhay. Hindi ako mahilig sa crush at pagbo-boyfriend. Si bias lang, okay na. Sila yung nagpapangiti sa akin pag may problem ako. Panoorin ko lang yung mga videos nila, masaya na ako. Fangirling is my life. BTS is my life. BTS Army is my family. That's all. Thank you.